Welcome to the best picks. The best first aid kits is probably one of the most important purchases you will ever make, ensuring you are prepared for any unforeseen accidents or injuries, from minor cuts and scrapes to more serious emergencies. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of first aid kits, teaching you how to select the perfect kit based on your needs and lifestyle, covering essential supplies, and providing tips for maintaining your kit's readiness. Number 5. First Aid Only FAO 442 Kit. This comprehensive kit is your all-in-one solution for minor injuries. It's packed with everything you need, from bandages to antiseptic wipes, to keep you prepared for any situation. It features a soft-sided zippered case with clear pockets. This keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find when you need it most. With 2 separate layers and individual compartments, finding what you need is quick and simple. No more fumbling around in an emergency. Small enough for a backpack, car, or desk drawer, it's the perfect travel companion. Take it with you wherever you go for peace of mind. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, this kit is perfect for personal or professional use. First Aid Only offers a wide range of products to meet all your needs. This kit is HSA and FSA eligible, making it an affordable way to prioritize your safety and preparedness. Get yours today. What we like? It has almost 300 pieces, which is the most among all the products. Everything is neatly organized for quick access. This makes it perfect for homes, offices, or cars, ensuring you're prepared for any minor emergency. If you need a comprehensive kit for various scenarios, this is the one for you. What people say. This product comes with a lot of stuff all neatly bagged up at your disposal for when you need it the most. Everything works good for everyday use on alkies and boo-boos. Has everything you need to handle a lot of jobs. It's travel size and it works great at keeping everything from getting in the bag. You can keep it in your vehicle, take it camping, fits well in your backpack and certainly comes in handy. We purchased the First Aid Only $2.99 piece all-purpose first aid emergency kit, and we are really impressed with its contents and organization. This kit has everything anyone could need for minor injuries, from bandages to antiseptic wipes, which is reassuring for our warehouses. The kit is well organized in a sturdy case that makes it easy to find what I need quickly. We appreciate the variety of supplies, including different sizes of adhesive bandages, gauze, and even some emergency tools like scissors and tweezers. It feels like a comprehensive solution for any emergency situation. It comes with a first aid guide, which is super helpful for anyone who may not be familiar with first aid procedures. The size of the kit is convenient for storage, yet it holds a substantial amount of supplies. The bag is very sturdy. The size of the band-aids and gauze is perfect for any situation. Kit content has everything imaginable in it for any situation. The use of this product is very easy. Number 4. Protect Life First Aid Kit. This kit is designed by emergency care experts, ensuring you have the essential supplies for minor injuries. It's perfect for any adventure. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting in your pocket or bag. Take it anywhere without extra weight. Made with high-quality materials in a modern facility, it's built to last. You can rely on it for years to come. This kit includes everything you need for minor injuries, from cuts and scrapes to blisters and burns. Be prepared for anything. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need a kit at home or the office, it's got you covered. It's your reliable companion for peace of mind. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll help you immediately. What we like? Its small size makes it perfect for travel. It's lightweight and durable enough to withstand outdoor adventures. If you're an adventurer or frequently travel, this kit is your ideal companion. Number 3. J&J All-Purpose First Aid Kit. It's the ultimate portable first aid kit, perfect for any emergency. It's compact and easy to carry, ensuring you're always prepared. This kit is fully stocked with 160 essential items. You'll find everything you need to treat minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and more. Take it with you anywhere. It's ideal for home, car, travel, camping, and other outdoor adventures. It's your reliable companion for any situation. It includes trusted brands like Band-Aid and Neosporin. You'll find bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and much more, all neatly organized. This kit contains pain relief medication and topical creams to help prevent infection and soothe itching. It's designed to provide comprehensive care. The durable case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. You'll find exactly what you need when you need it, quickly and efficiently. What we like. This kit includes well-known brands like Band-Aid and Neosporin. It also offers pain relief options. If you prioritize familiar brands and want pain relief solutions, this kit is a great choice. What people say. It comes well organized with a wide variety of items to cover nearly every minor injury you could encounter at home, on the road, or during outdoor activities. The kit includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, medical tape, scissors, tweezers, and even a small first aid manual. The kit is not just for minor cuts and scrapes. It's like this kit can tackle any boo-boo that comes its way, from minor cuts to the most epic of paper cuts. The portable compact size is like a magician's trick. It's like this kit can fit into any bag or pocket, ready to be your handy helper wherever you go. From camping in the wild to picnics at the park, this first aid kit is the ultimate adventure companion. It seems really well stocked, convenient and fairly compact. It can also be reused to refill as we need certain products later. Specifically, we didn't want something that would be too particular to refill, because I live a grab-and-go kind of life. Number 2. First Aid Only 91248 Kit. It meets OSHA standards. This kit is perfect for businesses, work sites, homes, and cars. It's fully equipped. You'll find bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and much more inside. It has a sturdy plastic case. The easy slide latches keep everything secure and organized. It's designed for quick access. The clear cover and compartments make finding what you need simple. It's great for various locations. Keep it at home, in your car, or at the office for any emergency. It's eligible for HSA and FSA. This kit helps you stay prepared and prioritize your safety. What we like. Designed for larger groups, it meets OSHA standards. The durable case ensures the supplies stay protected and organized. If you need a kit for a workplace or large family, this is your best bet. What people say. Has a little bit of everything. Easy to carry around and functions like a small briefcase full of quality first aid items. I especially appreciate that the kit comes in a sturdy, compact case that's easy to store in a car, home, or emergency kit. The dividers inside keep everything organized, making it easy to find what you need quickly. This is a good household or on-the-go first aid kit. Good for basic needs: cuts, burns, and lacerations. Number 1. KeepGoing Kids First Aid Kit. It's not your average first aid kit, it's fashionable and compact, perfect for travel. It easily fits in your purse, diaper bag, or backpack. Despite its small size, it's packed with 130 essential first aid supplies. You'll be prepared for any minor injury or emergency. Unlike many kits designed for adults, this one is perfect for kids. It's ideal for treating those little boo-boos and bringing smiles back to faces. It's made with premium materials and comes in a durable, stain, and water-resistant case. A helpful first aid guide is included. This kit is HSA and FSA eligible. It's made by a mom for moms, ensuring quality and family-focused care. What we like. It's designed with kids in mind, featuring latex-free bandages and a cute design. It's also packed with 130 essential items. If you're a parent looking for a travel-friendly kit for your little ones, this is perfect. What people say. Compact and portable, this kit is the perfect size to toss in a diaper bag, keep in the car, or take along on trips. It doesn't take up much space and is lightweight, making it incredibly convenient. With 130 pieces, it has everything you need for minor injuries and first aid situations. Plus, it's TSA approved, so it's perfect for air travel. The variety of bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other medical supplies are thoughtfully curated to handle minor injuries, ensuring peace of mind during our adventures. The kit's small, durable design easily fits into a backpack or glove compartment, making it incredibly convenient for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.